Okay, so right now we're going to show you how to make the sugar scrubs. We have hot and spicy, which is lemongrass and peppermint, or we have the warm soothing sugar scrub, and that is like vanilla citrus oils, right? And so there's easier ways to do things sometimes, so I'm going to show you the shortcut of how to do things. One is when you're using vanilla, I always use Global Goods Mexican vanilla. This is literally one of the best vanillas that you can get, especially readily on the market. I put it in little containers like this, which for this one, how much? Yeah, this is like 4 drops. You can see that I cut this pipette, so the drop is a lot bigger than if you had a normal pipette. It's really skinny at the bottom, and that would not equal a full drop, and then wouldn't do what you're trying to do for this. So make sure you always cut your pipettes to where it would represent what a full drop would be. So I'm going to be doing this one right here because I love this one, and literally it's like you're making cookies. So if I put this sugar in here, I'm just going to show you an example. If I put all this sugar in here and I drop my citrus fresh, right, and I drop my orange in here. Okay, orange, I'm out. Well, I'll just pretend like I'm doing something, right? So you're gonna see when I shake this, is big clumps, okay? So to try to mix this in here with the sugar, it does not work well. If you're doing it with baking soda, that's different and that would work well. So what I'm gonna show you how to do is I'm just gonna pour this back in here real quick. So the instructions should say mix the essential oils with coconut oil. And the coconut oil is sort of like the binder for all of this. So you have 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. So you go like here, 1, 2. And then you're gonna mix your oils in here, which there's none of that one. Maybe I'll do the spicy one today, although the other one tastes so good to eat. So I'll do this one. Oops, how many drops? 4 drops. And let's just pretend, or let me just find it real quick. I have it right here. So, and here's the citrus fresh, right? So you put your 4 drops in there, you get your vanilla. Vanilla, it says 4 drops. If you use extra drop or whatever. Okay, so literally, if you we're making this up right now, you could totally eat this. You see the big drops of oil? So you're trying to stir those up a little bit good so that it disperses amongst the sugar and not just one big clump. So now you can see the essential oil, all those droplets are like everywhere. And it says 1/2 cup of sugar. Put so much more. And now you stir this up, and so it will be much more dispersed as with the desire of what you're trying to make here. I like using the paper plates for this because they make for great funnels already, so less mess. Now literally, this is literally like you're making cookies. And it tastes delicious. So my joke here is you can give this to someone, and then, usually it's women who use it, and the husband could suck their toes and clean them or whatever, right? So this is, not all husbands I'm sure like to do that. Maybe they do, I don't know. So you just put a funnel here, you just make it into a funnel like this, and it sort of just can go inside here for the most part. If you want to spoon it in, of course, you can spoon it in. Pat it in there. Oh, look, I'm making a mess. Whatever. So then you have this jar. I did get a couple different kind of jars that may be cute to use. These are definitely a little bit harder to get the product in there, and of course you could put like a little piece of ribbon on here, put a cute label on here. It's great for a little great Christmas present, that kind of thing. So this is the sugar scrub station and how we do it. People always love doing this and it's fun. Okay, next we're going to move to the bath salts. You just can pause it for a second.